8 ऑक्टोबराक नॅशनल रेड रन जावपाची आसा। ओनूचो रेड रन उपक्रम राज्य एड्स नियंत्रण सोसायटीन खेळाच्या माध्यमांतल्यान जागरूकताय पातळोवपाच्या उद्देशान घडोवन हाडल्या। HIV चेर ह्या निमतान तरणाट्यांमदी सतर्कताय घडोवन हाडपाचो यत्न जातलो। कार्यावळीक डॉ. प्रमोद सावंत हजर आसतले। राष्ट्रीय एड्स नियंत्रण संघटना, भलायकी आणि कुटुंब कल्याण मंत्रालय, भारत सरकार, गोवा राज्य एड्स नियंत्रण सोसायटी, पणजी गोय हांच्या सहकार्यान आयतारा 8 ऑक्टोबराक नॅशनल रेड रन गोंयांत जावपाची आसा। तरणाट्यांक स्वताची जतनाय घेवपाक आनी तांकां HIV ची लागण जावपाच्या धोक्यापासून पयस दवरपाच्या हेतान ही कार्यावळ घडोवन हाडल्या। पळयात पुराय बातमी।
National Red Run which will be held on 8th October in SAG Athletic Stadium, flagged off at 6:30 a.m. and thereby followed by felicitation program, prize distribution program and cultural activity as when time permits. The basic objective of this program to create awareness amongst the community. As I have already cited earlier, the prevalence of HIV and incidence of HIV gradually decreasing from 2008 to till date. We used to have more than 1,000 cases. At the peak we had 1,094 cases in 2008. Followed that there is a gradual decrease because the intervention and the program activities of the NACO, in the aid of NACO, help of NACO and their services extended all over Goa. The current situation, if I cite you, there is gradual decrease in new cases which has been detected. However, because of better ART services and treatment and better drugs availability, people live longer. Previously, HIV positive used to live some 10-15 years. Now people, because of better services, better diagnostic test and better treatment, they can easily live 20-30 years. And with now newer drugs which has come, telitograpin, the viral load is decreased to such an extent that patients are clients are almost normal. All activities are normal, and sometimes if it is come to almost zero level, not nearing 50 or so, this, and transmissibility also among this is decreased. So it has become a chronic manageable disease like diabetes, hypertension. So the issues only, and as far as other issues of HIV related issues of discrimination, Goa is a well educated state. There is no obvious discrimination, at least there is not brought to practically demonstrable, it is not brought. There are some allegations which will be brought, but these are not confirmed. So these issues we have sorted out from time to time. Apart from these medical issues, they have other psychological issues because the hardship for treatment they have to take continuously, continuous treatment, tests they have to go. And sometimes, there are family problems because if the treatment is not taken, either single living spouse or single mother, single fathers, that issue, children are also sometimes single, orphan children.
गोवा 365 खातीर डिलन रॉड्रिगीस, मनीषा जाधव आणि निखिल जल्मी।